Hey everyone, so my name's Casey Jack. Yes, that is my first name. It's been quite some years since I've posted, and I never actually posted anything regularly. Usually, work that I've done on projects. I think the other ones were fireworks. Anyway, so I'm considering starting a channel or a feed or however it's called on YouTube because I don't usually use YouTube other than watching videos. Um, but I'm thinking of doing cooking videos because I absolutely enjoy cooking. Not to toot my own horn, but I'm pretty bomb at it. Um, in fact, tonight I'm making some dinner. Thinking about posting those videos later, as well as maybe some previous cooking things. Um, Maybe it's a start to something. A start to something. Wow. As you can tell, that's rough. So we'll see how this works.